Guess what I'm going to do today? I have to take my hat off?
No, you can put it on.
Okay. I'm nervous. I'm not even gonna say it out loud. Just make sure I get there safe. Say hi to my YouTube.
Hi people.
We are on the motorway. I don't want to record too much because I don't want nothing to happen to my phone. But I just want to show you guys a glimpse. Because when they ride these bikes out here, they just be breezing through traffic. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's not that high. Oh my gosh.
You wanna see the same lane or you wanna see a different lane?
What you said?
Do you wanna see the same lane or a different lane?
Am I doing what?
Do you wanna see a different place or the same place? The same route back or different route?
Whichever. It's up to you. Why, you know a shortcut?
Okay, so let's go through the Marina Mall.
Oh, okay.
I believe, right?
Yeah. This is the airport, right?
Yeah. I think one day you should do the riding.
No.
Yeah.
No thanks. Not interested. No.
I think that's that. I'll take you to a place.
This
that
is like a once in a blue moon thing. Only because I needed to go to the store.
If the next time when they come and we do more, they'll complain.
Do more what?
Like maybe when they order for another, maybe.
I feel,
Wow.
feel
How
like
does it taste?
feel like I'm in Jamaica, yo. This is beautiful, yo. Shit. Nice
Nice
jerk.
and juicy, right?
Yeah, man.
Spicy. What do you think?
You said something that passed on, man.
If he says it's good, then it's good, right? Did Okay, you can go.
We came all the way from Canada. The sister is a big fan of Deijha, but we had to find him because we have to support a Jamaican. I'm from Canada, but in America as well. Jamaican roots.
Yes.
So we had to find her and
Yay.
support. And then we're gonna tell everybody now who's coming here.
Yes.
Yes. Uber, see Uber? You have to come find him.
They took an Uber to find me.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
Of
for
course,
coming. I
of course.
appreciate it. Cashew?
Here, cash me eat.
What?
All day.
He said he
she
didn't
nearly
eat
faint
since.
today, right?
Wow.
He's my friend, he taught me.
Yeah.
So you're vegan?
Yeah.
I just came from this really good vegan spot called. So I just want to take the time out to say thank you to all the customers. That was just brief, but I have so much more. Thank you to all my supportive customers. Thank you for everyone who has been watching me on this journey, who make it their duty to find me in Ghana, all the way from the States, Canada, Jamaica, wherever you are. I truly appreciate it. Without you guys, like, none of this would be possible. Of course, without God as well. But thank you. Honestly, the great comments, the support is really what keeps me going, because I always feel like I have to do it now. When I feel like giving up, it's like, no, you can't give up. Like, you got people looking forward to seeing you. You have people looking forward to hearing from you, watching your videos, all these things. So it's way bigger than me now, guys. And I just want to thank you for the support. Thank you for continuing to support me. And just be patient with me. Y'all are going to see me y'all going to see me out here. Y'all are going to see me. Remember I told you that? I promise you that. Y'all going to see me. My name is going to be huge in Ghana. Thank you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to share with your friends and family. Peace.